naman kaming dumating. Ayan. This video I'm going to hello guys, today's video I'm going to open my box. This is unboxing. We received it today. So what's inside? So my husband bought something online. I don't know what is that. So I'm going to check it and come and see. This is the first box. So open it first. What is inside? Unboxing tayo guys. Makiuso din ng unboxing ba? Unboxing. What's inside that box, guys? It's bigger. So let's check it out, guys. What is this inside? Oh, this is the robot vacuum. So I don't have to do something. Just call Alexa to work for me. Yay! Yippee! Yippee! This is the robot vacuum, guys. See? Here, guys, so works with Wi-Fi, super strong power. Robot vacuum, guys. So hindi na ako lalo na akong tatamarin ito, guys, kasi may robot vacuum na naman kami. Guys, there you go. This is the box. This is the unboxing box. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
I don't need to do manual vacuum anymore.
Well, those are the little parts that go around. I think those blue things that go around. Huh.
Oh, this is it.
That's your remote unit. There's a.
I think this is the filter. Comes with battery.
For the remote. There's the base for the vacuum. I think it crawls up on that to charge.
So let's check it out. So yun, guys, robot vacuum. So look at this, guys. It's heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I hope the door will not take.
It'll be a play toy.
Okay, I'm just gonna read the instruction how it goes. This is the charger, right?
The base, yeah. It's supposed to go back to that to charge.
What is this for?
I don't know. Read the instructions.
What are those?
Rico.
So yan siya, guys. Oh, look at this, guys. Robot vacuum. So high-tech. Sa mga lazy na naman, lalong tatama rin tayo nito, guys. Let's check it out, guys. Quick start guide using the robot vacuum. So this number 1 should put this inside 2 of this under here.
Those are the things that go around and sweep up the dirt,
Yeah.
I think.
I think this is it here.
Yes.
Yeah. She said put that here. And the other one is around here. And guys, sa lalim ng robot vacuum. Okay, guys. And it says, remove the sticker in the neck of our palm block beside bumper use. Then always pull charge robot vacuum before you use the LED indicator of the robot vac brights orange while charging, and it's solid blue when it's fully charged. And then the back, important tips when using this first time, follow the robot vac to observe and resolve any problems that may occur. XXX, do not put with the water, something with the water, with the remove power cords and small objects from the floor that comes in tangled robot. You can use supplies and the cable ties organizing where the power cords.
See, there's a little.
There is the quick guide. See, look at this, guys. Said their new owner, Robo Vacuum owner. Hi there. This is Laura from EUP team. I have 2 kids, a cat, a dog at home, and I use a RoboVac every day. I have to say congratulations, you made the right choice. We hope this little guy will change your life. Yes, it changed my life. So I have lots of time with my YouTube. Thank you, my loves.
You're welcome, sweetie.
It changed my life a lot.
I'm gonna go
Because
change
I
my
was-
clothes. Yeah, go ahead.
I will say, what's the name of this? The vacuum.
You gonna name it? Give it a
Yeah.
name.
I'll have some name for my vacuum.
Mr. Robot.
Mr. Robot. Mr. Goopy.
Mr. Who?
Mr. Goopy.
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 What's that? What's Goopy? No. Mr. Clean?
Oh, Mr. Clean. We call it Mr. Clean.
That's a cleaner. They have a cleaner called
Mr. Clean.
Yeah, Mr. Clean.
An easy read to get your RoboVac all set up in 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
All the details about parts control, maintenance tips, and more. Warranty information is unimportant, so don't throw it away. Don't throw it away because here.
Well, me?
Yeah, I think that's the one. Here, I think that's the warranty. Owner's manual robot. Okay. What is in the box? Here, guys, this is our robot vacuum. They clean by themselves. So This it. This it. This is it, guys.
Up with it. It's kind of interesting.
Okay.
What is it, Charlie? Is that doing it by itself automatically? Come here, baby boy. Can you direct it with that? It's only staying in one corner because you want it to. Does it do it?